in the sun's evening glow. On Chunel and Doolin, towards the fishing fleets go. Watch the sheep wheels at Givon as they spun around, and heard the men singing as they go underground, and no one will ever move me from this land until the Lord calls me to sit on his hand. For this is my Eden, and I'm not alone. For this is my Cornwall, and this is my home. I've left childish footsteps in the soft Severn sand. I've chased the haystack, Oggymen and tan. I stood on the cliff top in a westerly blow, and heard the waves thunder on the rocks far below, and no one will ever move me from his hand until the Lord calls me to sit at his hand. For this is my Eden, and I'm not alone. For this is my Cornwall, and this is my home. First thing in the morning, on chapel come rain, and gaze at the sailings in the blue far away. For this is my Cornwall, and I'll tell you why.